Students, we are discussing now questions of the application of integrals. In the previous lecture also I have discussed the question of this topic. Finally, we discuss some more questions and then we wind up with this chapter and start with a new topic. Let us see the example number 13. That is example 13, second part. That is the curve y square is equal to 4x. Let us call it 13b because two 13 examples are mentioned in the NCERT. Let us take as a 13b here. Y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Moreover, x0, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. We have to show that the area boundary between all these is divided into three equal parts and it also forms a square. So, if we draw a graph here, that is the y square 4x, x square 4y. Okay? Solving this first and second. If we solve this first and second, place the value of x as y square upon 4 in this. So, solving first and second, it's y square upon 4 whole square, 4y, y to the power 4 upon 16, y to the power 4, 64y, or you can say y cube as 64y is equal to 4. Therefore, if y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. So, point of intersection is 4, 4. Point of intersection of these two curves is 4, 4. That is this one. Here, we have to do x0, that is the y-axis, x0. X is equal to 4 is this line, parallel to y-axis. Then x0 is the x-axis, y0, and y is equal to 4. So, it forms a square. Three parts are there, part 1, second part and third part. We have to show that area of these three parts are equal. Right? So, first of all, take the area of the part 1, required area of part 1, you can say simply area of part 1. It is from 0 to 4, 0 to 4 we are taking limits of the y. So, we have to represent x in terms of y. Here the curve is y square 4x. So, क्या आ गया x is y square upon 4, this one. ठीक है? Solving it, we get y cube upon 12. It's 0 to 4. 64 upon 12 minus 0. That is 16 upon 3 square units. Further, if you take the second region here, this one, area of part 2. It's again from 0 to 4. This one is the upper curve, this one is the lower curve. So, ये curve कौन सी है? That is y square 4x. So, y in terms of x gives you 2 square root of x minus this is x square 4y, x square upon 4. Because we are taking the limit of x here. 2 x to the power 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 0 to 4, x cube upon 12, 0 upon 4, 2, 4 upon 3, 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 64 upon 12 minus 0, 4 upon 3 into 8, 32 upon 3, 4 to the 8 and 128 minus 64 upon 12, it is 64 upon 12 square root, same as the area of the part 1. Now, area of the part 3. Area of part 3 is from 0 to 4, this to this, from here to here. Here the curve is x square 4y. So y in terms of x, curve कौन सी आएगी? This one, second one, x square upon 4, 0 to 4, x cube upon 12, 0 to 4, 64 upon 12, that is 16 upon 3, 16 upon 3 square units. So therefore area of part 1 is equal to part 2 is equal to part 3. That we have to prove here. Okay. Now in the exercise we discuss questions like let us take the question number 8 here. And the question number 8, it is given we have to have a smaller region bounded by the ellipse x square upon 9, y square upon 4 is equal to 1, and the line is x upon 3, y upon 2 is equal to 1. It is 3 0 0 2 x3 and y2. Smaller region is this one. So area, required area is given by, it is from 0 to 3, taking the limits of x. Upper is the ellipse, so y ellipse minus y of line. Y of ellipse is given by 1 minus x square upon 9 into 4 in a square root. It is 1 minus x upon 3 into 2 dx. Okay, y in terms of x, that is 1 minus x square upon 9 into 4, and y in terms of line 1 minus x upon 3 into 2. We have to solve it. It will get here 2 upon 3, 9 minus x square dx, 0 to 3, 2 times 2 upon 3, 3 minus x dx, and solve it. If we take the question number 11, we have to find the area bounded by mod of x, mod of y is equal to 1. So there are 4 cases. The value of x and y are either positive or negative inside the mod. So you can write as x plus y is equal to 1 if both x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. X minus y is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0 but y is less than 0. Then minus x plus y is equal to 1 if x is less than 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Both are negative if x is less than 0, y is less than 0. So it implies it can be written as x upon 1, y upon 1 is equal to 1. That is the intercept form, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1, intercept form of the line. Then is x upon 1, y upon minus 1 is equal to 1, x upon minus 1, y upon 1 is equal to 1, x upon minus 1, y upon minus 1 is equal to 1. It is 1, minus 1, it is 1, it is minus 1. X1, Y1, this one. X1, Y minus 1. We don't have to produce this line. यहीं तक आएगी लाइन ये कंडीशन है ना x greater than 0 y greater than 0 x greater than equal to 0 and y less than 0 then x minus 1 and y 1 this one and x minus 1 y minus 1 this one. ये 4 lines आ गई हम लोगों के पास. We have to find the region. So we find the area of only this region. Rest 3 regions are symmetrical to each other. So required area is given by 0 to 1. This line is x plus y is equal to 1. So y is 1 minus x dx, and we take 4 times of this area and then solve it. Let us see the question number 15. It is given as xy, ordered pair xy, such that y square is less than equal to 4x, less than inside region. Then 4x square plus 4y square is less than equal to 9. First of all, consider equations. क्या लिखेंगे equations में? Consider equations. Y square is 4x and 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. That is x square plus y square 3 upon 2 whole square. There is a circle and that one is a parabola. Solving it, solving first and second. On solving first and second, we get x square plus 4x is equal to 9 upon 4, or you can say 4x square plus 16x 9, 4x square plus 16x minus 9. On factorizing, it becomes 36 and 9, 4 and 36, 18 and 2, 18x minus 2x minus 9, 2x, 2x plus 9 minus 2x plus 9. The value of x is either half or minus 9 upon 2. We have to reject minus 9 upon 2 because if we take minus 9 upon 2, the y square becomes negative. That is not real part. So therefore, x is half. If x is half, y is equal to plus minus root 2. So point of intersection are half root 2 and half minus root 2. We have to sketch a graph for it. Circle has center at origin and the radius 3 by 2. This one 3 by 2. Moreover, parabola y square 4x. We draw here. Point of intersection is half root 2 half minus root 2 less than parabola and circle. तो ये inside portion आएगा इसका. अगर ये greater sign होता है तो ये outside portion आता है इसका. So this one required area क्या बनेगा? It is 0 to half. That's for the parabola. You can write 5 parabola plus half to 3 by 2 y of सर्कल. और क्या लेंगे इसके हम 2 टाइम्स. और उसने ये नहीं कहा है कि xy ग्रेटर देन 0, बट हम फर्स्ट रीजन का ले लेते हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है. सो y ऑफ पैराबोला क्या आएगा? 2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x dx 0 to half, obviously 2 times of the whole one, and y of circle, that is 9 by 4 minus x square in a square root dx half to 3 by 2, and then solve it. Now that's all about this topic. You have to complete this topic. Okay, the next lecture we begin with the next topic. So get prepare for it. In your periodic second, there are 3 chapters. That's the application of derivatives. Next is the integration, and third one is This application of integrals. In the next lecture, we begin with the next topic, that is our differential equations. So get ready for that also. Prepare your questions, your topics for your exams. Thank you.